Wondering where to record supplier payments? The AP Payment module helps you settle supplier invoices quickly and accurately in AutoCount.
After credit note, we go to AP Payment. So AP Payment, you press the new button. Over here, Creditor. So payment task 2.8, Supplier A. Okay, Supplier A, description is payment on account. Payment on account, and the date is 27th of January. So payment amount is CINV KL. Okay, CINV KL. So check number is automatic generate, and payment amount is 500. Or for the invoice 445566. You see after knock off the balance 850. This payment voucher. Okay, save. Before I move forward, I want to show you some shortcut in AutoCount system. If let's say this is the payment, you see the bottom here got the invoice number. If you go to AP invoice, you highlight the transaction, then the bottom will show the payment voucher number and the credit note number. This is the shortcut way. You don't need to trace one by one here. Got the shortcut at the bottom, and all these shortcut you can double click. The system will go back to the original document. Easy for you to trace. Sometimes you see the outstanding is 850. You don't know, I never paid before. Then why the outstanding is 850? You can just refer to the bottom 600 plus offset. Just look at the bottom. Okay, I think that's all only for this.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.